So this is the latest and most stylish device from ITEL S series lineup, which is the ITEL S17, and I must say I love the design of the camera setup at the rear, but does it really capture those smiles? Well, we will find out later in this video. What's up guys, it's Michael, and basically what we have inside the box is the SIM ejector pin, case, the device, 5-watt charger, micro USB cable and earphones. The design on here is one I like. It looks really attractive and I would like to rock this device without a case because the finish feels really good at the rear while holding it and doesn't attract a lot of fingerprints because they are not really visible. Turning on the ITEL S17 for the first time, it took 90 seconds to boot up and set up. The 6.6-inch display is bright and usable under a very lit room. It is an IPS panel which you won't get the best colors while watching YouTube videos. Watching content on here on YouTube can get up to 1080p even though it is a 720p display. The chipset on here is the same on last year's ITEL S17, which is the Unisoc processor, and both devices have the same performance. No real difference, and it lags right out of the box immediately after I turned on the device. You can use Go and Light apps on this device to save space and make this device run very well. Not to forget that this device comes with a lot of preloaded apps. I would prefer to use a 28nm MediaTek chipset than using a Unisoc chipset that is a total disaster. And this device only comes in one storage variant, which is 1GB of RAM with 16GB of internal storage, which you're only left with 10GB of internal storage when you boot up this device. You can also expand through the micro SD card slot on the card tray. As usual, we don't have 4G on here, but if you need 4G, you can get the Pro variant at a higher price. There is a long-lasting 5000 mAh battery on here for the target audience who will get this device. Now to the main purpose of the ITEL S17, which is the camera, which from what we saw on their social media pages, it says capture smiles, and I can say if you smile to the camera, the final result will make you sad. Just let your expectations be low and don't compare this device to an iPhone because both devices have eyes. To unlock this device, you can use the fingerprint sensor at the rear, the regular pin pattern password, and the less secured face unlock. This is another entry-level device for the target audience who need a bigger battery, attractive design with a big display. I personally won't use this device as my backup device even though I'm going to use my last card to buy this device. I won't even use this device as my backup device because the chipset on here lags a lot. The performance is really low. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you like it, kindly hit on the subscribe button below. Drop your thoughts about the ITEL S17 in the comment section below. If you get this device or not, or you get it for your grandma or a small teenager. Like, comment, and I'll see you on the video showing on your screen right now.